taking a look at a new robot vacuum cleaner from Xiaomi. Under this brand, a plethora of home automation devices appeared in the last years. It was only a matter of time until the emergence of a robot vacuum. On paper, the new Mi Cleaner has exquisite specs. Laser-based navigation, strongest suction on the market, long-lasting batteries, HEPA filters and iOS and Android connectivity. Let's take a closer look and see if all of these blend together into a product which is worth your money. There's not a lot to brag about what's in the package. As we open the front cover, we have a user manual and a quick start guide, both in Chinese. Next we have the robot body. It's a bit heavy at 8.4 pounds, but my guess is you won't need to get it off the ground too often. The package also contains an adapter which can only be connected to the charging dock. Last but not least, we have a cleaning tool made of plastic. No extra filters, no virtual walls, no extra side brushes and no remote control. Accessing the bin is easier than in most robot vacuums I've tested. The bin is spacious enough to accommodate 14 ounces of dirt. The HEPA filter is also located on the dust bin. It is completely sealed with a thin layer of rubber all around its edges. The filter is not washable, and you should clean it as often as you can. The brush roll can be removed in less than 5 seconds. It reminded me of Dyson's 360i, as it is made of a mix of thin plastic bristles and rubber. On sensors, let's start with the indoor laser. Next we have the ultrasonic proximity sensor. On the side we have the infrared wall sensor. Finally, on its back, we have 4 cliff sensors. The wheels are sturdy. The brush roll mechanism is flexible, so it can get closer to the ground level. More than 2 hours of continuous work, the robot can return safely back to its base for recharging, thanks to its mapping and localization algorithm, which is called SLAM and which is used in other premium models from Nito, iRobot or LG. To its aforementioned cliff sensors, the robot doesn't fall down. You can see the moving algorithm in action, even in this very limited space. The surface is practically covered 100%. With a long-lasting battery, a powerful suction which can be adjusted in Xiaomi's Home app, quality materials and a neat design, this robot vacuum managed to impress me positively. However, many users will still feel the lack of extras, and the app is in Chinese, with no plans to make it in English anytime soon. Visit vacuumsguide.com to find the most accurate translation and learn more about all the features of Xiaomi's robot vacuum cleaner.